Hey Pushrodders, welcome back to the channel. So we've got a customer car in for a service. It's a little 2.7 or 2.5 litre diesel Territory, and we've pretty much got through all the service stuff other than the, hang on, I'll turn the a cabin filter. So we're using a Westfield cabin filter. We've got a part number, there you go, there's the part number. The RCA 100C is a Ryco number, so you can use a Ryco. Now, like most cars, it's located in behind the glove box. So what we'll do is I'll set the camera up a little bit better and we'll go from there. Now you can probably see it poking there, the open and close, that's the lid for it. So now all we've got to do is, there should be a little, let me get my torch so I can show you. All you got to do is just 2 fingers on either side and push in and that'll come out. So let's, sorry for the crappy angle. See if we can get this thing out. There we go. Now that'll come off, so open and close, so it's just a matter of moving it over, pulling the little lid out. Okay, it's got a little tab here you can pull. Oh yeah, quality. Oh, we've got a Motorcraft brand one, so as you can see it's used chock-a-block full of crap. That's cool. Now we'll just make sure we've got no leaves and other garbage in there, which we don't. And yeah, it's pretty much the reverse procedure of fitting it all back together again. Now as always, there's this side up and all that sort of thing, so yeah, just check whatever particular make and model, just make sure you've got arrows pointing in the right direction and all that sort of deal, and shove that in there. This is probably the most easiest one I've done. I've done other ones and they've been absolutely horrible to do. Just be careful, because otherwise those little plastic tangs will more than likely break on you. There we go. Excellent. All done. Now fit that up. Make sure that's there. Rubbish. Whoops. Put that back in the glove box, a little mask. I just like to open it again, just make sure it shuts properly. So yeah, Pushrodders, it is that easy to do a cabin filter on a Ford Territory. What are you waiting for? Go and get your hands dirty. We'll see you next video.